and then tie a couple of little knots in there. Once again, it's important to take the knot to the surface, that way nothing comes loose. I'll do that twice. Take the knot surface and pull, and then we're finished. Cut the thread. And so I've tied it off underneath this little tail, and that tail will get wrapped around like that. The tail will get wrapped around like that, and that'll cover all that stitching and what's left. Okay, so all that's left to do now is to wrap the tails, is to put the tails in through those two little holes there. So I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. Okay, so I've put some tape on the tails, made them pointy. That just helps you get them through the hole. Now you remember I did this patch here, and so therefore I covered up the holes that would normally go through. So I'm going to use this little tool I found in the shop. It's just, I don't know what it is, it's just some sort of, looks like a bit of a bladey chisel type thing. You can use a hole punch if you want. I don't have one small enough, but this just puts a nice slit, not a hole, and it works well. So I'll just do that now. There you go. I just put my kote on the edge of my board, which is actually going to be my future bokto. See, I've done my outline when I get round to it. So I'm just going to make two little incisions here. Get my hammer, slice through one, and do another one. You got the hole. I use my little pick just to enlarge the hole slightly, just like that, just to make it easy. So the first one comes from underneath, and you can see the tape come through, and you can easily grab that. And then I'll just enlarge the other hole slightly. And this time's from the top. And that's what it looks like there. Voila. Just like I bought one. I'll do the same on the other side. Through. Just open the hole up a little bit. There we go. Pull it through. And it's a bit hard to see, but there's what this one looks like. And then you've got these two little bits of tail left in there, and you just cut them off with the scissors. And that's it, the kote's finished. It's a pretty reasonable job. Pretty reasonable fit. There's the patch on the top, the patch on the other side. My camera doesn't focus very well. Here's its partner. This is the one that went that really funny colour. This one I patched the thumb. Also patched the other side there. I didn't do the tail on this one, I just sewed off it off and just left it like that. But whatever. That one's got a bit of a crease in it. It was a bit big. Finished.